Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD. Sugar cravings are a major problem. Several people have written to me how they can stop this sugar craving. So today I'm going to share with you the best way to stop this sugar craving. But before we move forward, I would like you to take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to understand is that why are you getting the sugar craving? So that way you have a better understanding and you can take actionable steps to stop it. So the very first reason actually of sugar cravings is not eating enough calories or not eating the right kind of calories. A lot of people are on low calorie diets or they're eating the wrong calories. Your body needs calorie to function each and every day. And when you're not giving the right calories to the body, it actually craves sugar because it needs energy to keep your body functioning fine. Several people are eating empty calories by eating a lot of chips, cookies, sodas, which doesn't give any calories to the body. In fact, they increases the sugar cravings. Whenever you are on a low calorie diet or whenever you are skipping meals, especially breakfast, it has shown in research studies that creates more sugar cravings during the day. Whenever you are eating the wrong calories, especially eating simple carbohydrates, a lot of sugar, that actually in turn creates more sugar cravings. So the first reason you have sugar cravings is that you are eating not enough calories and the wrong calories. The second reason of sugar cravings is fluctuations in your hormones. There are several hormones in your body which can cause sugar cravings, especially insulin, thyroid hormones, female hormones like estrogen, progesterone, as well as cortisol hormones and leptin and ghrelin hormones. All of these have been associated with sugar cravings. The first major hormone in this category is cortisol. Whenever your body is stressed out, it releases excessive amount of cortisol hormone. Whenever there is excessive cortisol, it interferes with the abnormal release of thyroid hormone as well as leptin and ghrelin hormones. And these have been associated with increasing your appetite and also increasing sugar cravings. A lot of females who have hormonal dysfunctions will see that their sugar cravings get worse before their menstrual periods, which is also constitute the PMS period of them also. So fluctuating hormones is a major reason of sugar cravings. The third reason of sugar cravings is poor gut microbiome or poor gut health. Yes, you might be wondering what has gut health to do with sugar cravings. There is trillions of bacteria that lives in the gut, some good bacteria and some bad bacteria. Whenever we are eating sugar, we are feeding the bad bacteria because the bad bacteria loves the sugar and that increases the population of that bad bacteria. In turn, this bad bacteria interferes with several neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin and thereby actually increasing the sugar cravings. So poor gut microbiome also causes sugar cravings. The next reason is lack of good quality sleep. Sleep is very important. We thought sleep was only good for immunity of your body. But now the new research studies says that when people are not sleeping enough or they do not have good quality sleep, again that interferes with their hormonal production, especially several neurotransmitters, and those people have higher amount of sugar cravings on the daily basis. The last reason of sugar cravings is that you're not eating enough protein and fiber in your diet. Protein is very important in regulating your appetite as well as plays a very important role in insulin and blood sugar regulation. Similar things, high fiber foods also decreases the insulin spike and that's the reason they also control the sugar cravings. Most people, research shows, is not eating high protein or are not eating high fiber diet and that is a very major reason that they have these sugar cravings. Now you understand there are several reasons of sugar cravings. Now let's understand what you can do to stop this sugar craving. So the very first thing you need to focus is actually eating good quality, nutrient dense, rich diet. Forget about the calories because most people have been told that they have to eat low calories. In fact, now the new research says that you have to include good quality foods. It is more important to focus on the quality nutrients rather than the calories. So very important to actually eat a good quality meal. What that means is that you need to increase the good quality protein in your diet as well as good quality fiber in your diet. In this way, vegetables are a great source, like adding broccolis, cabbages, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, greens, are very good ways of eating high fiber diet. Then good quality proteins is very important. If you are a vegan or a vegetarian, you can include beans, lentils, legumes. They're not only in high in protein but also high in fiber. If you do eat animal products, then fish, chicken, turkey are again great source of good quality proteins. Nuts and seeds, especially chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds and walnuts provide you good quality protein as well as are high in fiber also. So all of these foods should be part of your regular diet. Each and every meal of yours should have good quality protein as well as high fiber food, and that will definitely going to reduce your sugar cravings. The next thing you can do is work on your stress management. As we said that the major reason of hormone fluctuations in your body is stress. So develop a de-stressing routine of either doing meditation, deep breathing, or exercising, going for a brisk walk or a yoga class or doing a workout, especially strength training in the gym, has shown that they can reduce the sugar cravings. So very important, develop a stress reduction regimen on the regular basis. The next thing you need to focus is on your sleep. Most people are compromising on their sleep because they're too busy in their lifestyle and they have too many commitments. But you have to prioritize your sleep. What that means is that you have to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours on the daily basis. That gives you good quality sleep. The last thing you need to work on, especially on your gut health, you need to include fermented foods like yogurts, like kefir, like kombuchas, sauerkraut, kimchi. All of those are great fermented foods that you need to include on the regular basis. Adding a good quality probiotic is also really good in this sense because that can definitely boost your gut health. So now you know all the reasons of having sugar cravings on the regular basis and the best way of following this particular diet that is going to stop your sugar cravings. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.